So this little video is about chakras and sound healing. One thing that I learned which was very interesting to me, and the information came via a sound healer in Florida, a wonderful lady, used the flute amongst other modalities, and she teamed up with a friend who was an acupuncturist to try and hone in on the chakras and the vibrational relationship that the chakras have to sound and to music. And what they discovered was that different people's heart chakra, for example, responded to different frequencies. That for one person, the heart chakra might be an F sharp, for another person it might be a G. And the other thing that they discovered was that it wasn't a static relationship, that the same person who one day might respond in the heart chakra area to an F sharp, on another day might respond in that same area to another key. Now that having been said, we're talking about chakras now, energy centers that are fifth dimensional phenomena. You may have seen a bunch of pretty pictures and charts and so forth. That's just a way of trying to portray something. It's not an actual, in my experience, a representation of what the chakra actually looks like. But fundamentally, the lower chakras have a lower rate of vibration. They're usually associated with a sound like this D. And then as you move up with the chakras, the vibration gets higher. So this is a D sharp. And you can feel it. If you do the experiment yourself, if you're sensitive to what's happening in your own body, then you can feel for you what sounds like a solar plexus kind of a sound. And it depends on what kind of healing that you're involved in on a personal level. Some people are naturally very kind of low vibrational level, let's say, and they might want to use a flute which is going to pick up the vibrational level and give a stimulating effect. Now this B flute, B is usually associated with the crown chakra up here. Listen and see what your feelings are. You can feel that, that get up kind of like, this is happening. This is the higher level. We're resonating upward. Now, an E for me, it's around in here in the solar plexus, maybe, upper solar plexus. It's got a stimulating quality. It's not like, low down D. It's an E. Listen to the sound samples on the website. Put yourself in a kind of a quiet space and just feel the sound samples. There's also a video called the Flute Keys, and you could watch that one too. And F. You can feel the warmness. You can feel that a nice blend with the F for me of the relaxing and the stimulating. It's a nice middle ground. And now the F sharp. The F sharp. Now the F sharp is the most popular key of the Native American flute, the most common key of the Native American flute. It's associated with the heart chakra. You can feel it. It's stimulating, but at the same time it has a soothing quality. And it's a smaller flute. It's easier to play. So, and the G, this lovely here we have it up here. You can feel it climb up with the higher vibrational level. Of course, the key of the flute, the F sharp or the G, is the fundamental note. And we go to the A. It's a nice little backpacker flute. Now here we are, we've come up. And now we're going to go way up. So there you have what I know about chakras, and you're going to have the opportunity to explore that field for yourself. Very interesting.